So much of what we see and read and experience on social media today can be quite toxic, and that's one of the reasons that I'm spending less and less time there these days for my own wellness, my own mental health. And I'm spending more and more time in nature because that really nourishes me. I'm approaching the peak of Howling Peak here in Canmore today, and let this be just a public service announcement that if you find that you're a little more anxious than usual in light of all the news and all of the happenings of the world today, you might really benefit from just checking out on social media for a little bit and instead spending that time in nature. So I genuinely and sincerely and lovingly wish you to get into nature wherever that is in your part of the world as much as you can, and just enjoy this life, because there's lots to enjoy. Uh-huh.
And he's done a little juggling.
Oh yeah.
He's going to get that video and he's going to love it.
Great. Well, we'll send your brother the link to the tutorial that I have on YouTube if you like. I have like a step-by-step tutorial. So Jordy and I are now at the top of Howling Peak, and we've just enjoyed a conversation with 4 other hikers. Can I show you really quickly? Yeah, okay. There we are. And they also believe that being in nature is like a really worthwhile thing to do. And we just celebrate a little chat, little conversation, and we're going to keep in touch. I'm super grateful for that and for today. And now, unfortunately, we have to go back to the city because nature calls. Thanks. So lovely to meet you.
Yeah, you guys too.
Bye. Yeah. I'm alive today. I'm alive today. Yeah. If you'd like to bring a little bit more adventure into your life, or more people into your life, and learn how even in today's interesting times you can still absolutely meet strangers face to face and build connections and learn about new ideas and learn about new places and new things to do, new collaborations, and change your life. If this sounds of interest to you, then I invite you to join a program I have coming up called the Human Connection Adventure. And in these 8 weeks, you will be taken on an adventure by design, by you, facilitated by me. And not only will you have some fun, but you're going to learn some pretty powerful things that allow you to get clear on what you want to do next with your life, and also empower you to take the necessary steps to make the changes that you want to make. So that is an invitation for you. From Canmore, Alberta, I'm Tony. Take care and stay active. This is how I like to spend my Tuesdays.
At the office.
This is my Tuesday at the office. Today we're in Canmore.